I was wondering what is inside the pill. Umalis ka! Ayaw ko nga.
Nandito kami ngayon sa TikTok.
Tao po! Tao po!
So, dahil suot mo namin, naririnig ka pa ba?
Wala.
Wala. Talaga?
Real. Gonna
Willie reveal yun eh. Kulang yan! Beep.
Sabihin mo feather 10 times mabilis. Ano English ng pakpak?
Pakpak.
English ng pakpak.
Feather.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. You just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Kaya mo bakit?
Okay, wait natin na sa Gamit na nagsisimula sa letter T. Tabo! Panalo si Jasmine! Ano po?
Mali naman yan.
Oh, baby. Britney Spears.
Hit me baby one more time. Britney Spears.
Hit me, baby.
One more time.
Oops, I did it again.
The category ay colors, mga kulay.
Dandelion.
Red. Turquoise.
Get black. Black.
Colors ba to?